this video, I'm going to demonstrate Purl 2 Together, abbreviated P2Tog. It is a 1-stitch decrease, usually worked on the wrong side of the work. Sometimes people ask me, when would I want to use this? Well, you don't really want to use it unless your pattern calls for it. So I'm hoping you're here because you ran into it in your pattern and you would like a demonstration in slow motion, because that's what we're going to do right now. Let's go slow-mo.
Okay, here we go. First, I'm going to get everything scooched up to the tips of the needles. This is just like a normal purl stitch, except for I'm sliding the needle into the 2 first stitches, 2 of them instead of 1. Wrapping the needle, pulling it through to the back. Now that little move I did right there was just to tighten things up. I won't do it again. Put it through 1 stitch, and then the 2nd stitch, wrap the needle, pull it through both stitches. It doesn't have a choice but to come through both stitches. In the first, in the second, wrap the needle, pull it through, and 1 more. Into both, wrap, pull it through, 1 stitch decrease. There we go.
And that's it. I hope that helps. Good luck.